Welcome back, DIYers. We're going to check out some of the great deals going on at your local Tractor Supply. Also, remember we are doing our giveaway, so make sure you watch the entire video to see how you can enter. To get us started, we're going to check out this DeWalt combo kit here. We see for $250. This is a great price on this item right here. You get to save $100. Then we also get to save $30 on this Toro 22-inch rear-wheel drive self-propelled lawnmower. Pretty good option there, and get to save a little bit of money, especially since the grass is definitely growing outside. Another great deal we have right here is this E210 gas grill from Weber. Get to save $50 on this. So with it getting warmer outside, it's a great time to go ahead and get a grill and get going, have some fun. Also have some deals on some DeWalt ratchets. I actually love this set right here. My dad has that, use it all the time. Then we have a couple deals on some JobSmart options. These are some great DIY tools and some great options, again, just to get you started or even just to help you out and keep them in your truck or whatever that might be. Then we even have some gear wrench options right here. Another clearance deal on that one as well. Pretty good price. We also have 25% off Crescent Chrome adjustable wrenches. So if you guys need any of these, Crescent's a solid brand. They're going to do a good job for you. Get to save a little bit of money on some of these. Then we also have some combo kits here. You can see these. Get to save $50 off some of these batteries. Also, this drill drive combo kit right here, $60, and then also this impact wrench set as well. Pretty good options right there for DeWalt. Then we even have some Bosch items on sale. If you need to grab some of these, you can definitely get a great deal. You know, a lot of Bosch fans out there. You even have this little palm sander here. Pretty good price on that one. Then we also have some Porter cable oil here. So if you need some oil, you can definitely grab some of this and save about $5. Great option there. Then we also have some more DeWalt option power tools, $99. Get to save some on these. So again, just some other views on that section a minute ago. But then we also see some reciprocating saws and even some blades as well. So you get to save pretty good deals on some of these things. Then we also have the circular saw as well. Again, DeWalt's a great brand. It's going to do a great job for you. Here's just another view of that. Then we get into my favorite area, and this is the little clearance section. You can see it has a lot of small little tools, great for just small DIY projects or even great for just giving little gifts. See a bunch of good deals right here. We got some levels, even some mallets, and a few other wrenches. A bunch of good options here for a lot of these things. Got even some deep sockets here and a lot of things on clearance, as you could tell. Some of these blades and even some of these little wrenches, some batteries. Always great to have those when you're working on things at your house. Have another little wrench set here. You can see some of these deals, even some of these knives as well. Pretty cool little knives here. And then even this JobSmart two-piece set. But I really like some of these Mossy Oak and Smith & Wesson knives here. Always great to keep you some of these whenever you're doing some projects. We have some wheel chocks right here and even some brushes. Then we have a couple more wrenches. So if you need some of these wrenches and some Stanley screwdrivers, also some bungee cords and some straps as well. Like I said, these are all just some of my favorite things to check out at the store. We also have 20% off replacement chains here for Husqvarna. Pretty good option there, especially Husqvarna are great chainsaws. I have one and I've used multiple ones in the past. They last a long time. They do a really good job. So if you're looking for one, it's a great one to keep an eye out for. Then we also have some of these other ones on sale as well. Get to save $3 on these, which is pretty great. Some more options here. Get to save some of these. $46. Save a few dollars on that. Another option here for $36.99. Again, get to save $6 on this one. County line option here. And then we also have a couple more options with different size bars. Whatever you might have, you can grab some chains, save you a little bit of money, and get out there and cutting. Then we also have some fuel lines on sale. You get to save $1 on this. So if you do need some fuel line, you can go and save $1 on that. Then we also have a deal going on right here with the Husqvarna Weed Eater. So if you need one of those, $250, pretty good price for that. It's going to last you a long time. Husqvarna is a great brand. They're going to do great things. Like I mentioned, I have a backpack blower and a chainsaw from them, and it works really well. Lasted a long time. So you know their products are going to be great, and they're going to do a good job. So you can always count on those. And we have another option here as well, so you can check this one out at $150. So you can grab either one you might need. Then we even have some other deals right here. The trimmer straps, if you need one of those to save your arms. Then we got some mosquito killing options here. I use a mosquito killer in my yard, and it's a game changer. We also have the mole bait, so you can grab some of these. 20 bucks here, little mole killer, save about $6. Then we have a couple more options on some different chemicals and different things you might use around the farm right here. So you can save about 10 bucks on this, the grass and weed killer. We also have some wiping spray for horses. So if you have the horses trying to get rid of the flies, you can definitely do that here. And we also have some weed and grass killer as well, another option for 20 bucks off here. Then we have a couple more options as well. You get to save $30 here on this. Again, this is the lawn weed killer. So whatever type brand that you are interested in, we have a bunch of options for sale. Also have a couple different deals going on with some Fluid Master if you're going to be working on your toilet. Save a little bit of money here. Always great to even keep some of these on hand, you know, when you have to fix things around the house. Then another deal that we've had for a long time on sale right here, 34 bucks is the tire inflator. You got different options right here. These are great things just to kind of keep in your vehicle. You never know when you're going to need some of these things. I usually keep a few of these options actually in my wife's car at all times, just in case they need to pump the tires up. Then we have even the repair stop 2 breakdowns right here, the roadside emergency kit, another great thing to keep on hand. Again, so if you ever break down, you got that. We also have $5 off of this. You can grab one of these. Anyone for the farm. Then we have the 3-ton capacity floor jack. If you need one of those for 300 bucks, get to save $30 off of that. Again, if you're going to be doing some work in the garage, great to have one of these. Then you also get to save $5 on some oil right here. Get to save a little bit of money on that. Every little bit helps, so that's great. Also have some non-flammable parts cleaner. You can check some of this stuff out. I've used this brand before. It's worked really well. We also have some shop towels. Always great to have these when you're doing projects around the house. Save a little bit of money and keeps you clean. Then we also have the bug remover on sale. We know that bugs are everywhere now in the middle of the summer. So it's starting to get hot. Bugs are everywhere. Great to grab some of these. Clean off your vehicle. Then we also have the multi-purpose options right here for $12.99. Get to save a little bit on the WD-40. Again, it's always great to keep some of this around on all projects. Then you see a few savings here for the outdoor cleaner. Again, I've used this on my deck. It worked really well. Also right here, the 30-second outdoor concentrate. Again, $12.99. I've used something very similar and it's worked really well. So definitely recommend this, especially if you're going to be doing some projects outdoors. And hey guys, just a reminder, we are doing a giveaway for this Hupart laser level right here. This thing is great. It has 4 360-degree green laser lines. It has the removable battery as well. Also has the outdoor pulse mode and visibility adjustment. Also has a magnetic bracket and lifting base so you can micro adjust. And overall, it is just very heavy duty. Works really well. I have thoroughly enjoyed using it myself. And this is definitely something that you could use and a great DIY project, or even taking it to the job site, whichever one you might be interested in, but it works extremely well. And if you're interested in joining us for this giveaway, all you're going to have to do down below in the comment section is type Hupart giveaway, and you'll be entered to win. You need to be subscribed and also comment in order to win. I'll also have a link down below if you're interested in picking up this item as well. Now back to a few deals here. You also have the generator cord. You can grab one of these for 23 bucks. You can grab that. It's a great option. Have some shop lights on sale for $19. Grab one of those. Help you get some light. And then also an outdoor light on sale as well for 65 bucks. Pretty good price for that. You also have a few more clearance items. You can see some of these sandpapers. Pretty good deals on these. Always great to have some of this stuff around. Never know where you're going to need it. but pretty good prices on a lot of these. We also have some silicone on sale for $6.79. Get to save a little bit of money. Then some JB Super Weld. Again, my dad loves this stuff. Great thing for DIY. Always be able to hold stuff together. And we have a few different deals in the clearance section. They also had 30% off of the Red Shed planters. And then $19.99 right here for the knee pads. Great way to save your knees. And then we had a few different deals right here for some wrenches. Great prices on some of these. And then we had a lot of clearances like we were mentioning on these wrenches. So you can grab some of these individually, or if you needed the other ones up front, we have the other deals in the clearance section as well up front in little bins. But they had a lot of deals on some of these other options for JobSmart as well. So if you just need one, you can go and grab it for one particular deal. You can see here again, multiple different options right here on sale to go grab some of these. Also had some ratchets on sale. Always great to pick up some of these, especially the number 10 ratchet, because somehow we lose those all the time. So if you need one of those, you can go grab them. That actually might be the one right there that's missing in the middle. But always great to have extra some of these. And then you never know if you need some of the extender ones as well. So you can always check and see if you need some of those. It's always great to have some. Then we have a couple other sets as well. A couple other deals going on. $3.19 for a little ratchet. It's not too bad. Pretty good option, especially if you just need one. Pretty good deal with that. We have a few more options right here as well. So pretty cool deals. You can save some money and get you some of these. And again, a few more options here. Could be a good little fun dad gift, especially if he's lost some of these in different projects, doing all around the house or even all around the farm. Always great to grab some and knock them out. And you also want to grab one of these ratchets as well. You're going to be doing a lot of projects, again, with those sockets. You want to make sure that you grab some of these ratchets as well. And then here's a few more so you can check out. You don't want to miss any of these. Got some different options here, different extenders and different things like that. So if you want to go ahead and build your own set, this is a great time to pick up some of these, save you a little bit of money, and then build your own set. And then here are some of the sets as well. So you can see some of the bigger sets. Get some of these, the deep socket sets on clearance. So if you just want to go ahead and buy them all together, this is a great option. That way you get to save a little bit of money and buy these together so you don't have to put them all together yourself. It's always great to be able to do this. These are great little JobSmart brand. It's a solid brand. It's going to do a good job for you. Could also be something you could give as a gift, or again, keep in your pack or in your truck if you're going to be traveling or different things like that. It's always a great thing. And here we see a few different other sets as well. Also, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and enter our giveaway so that you can win our laser level. And then lastly, if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.